3, 2, 1.
Today, we're at the National Center for Aviation Training for Manufacturing Day 2021.
Getting to see all of the young people in the area come in and learn about all these great careers. It's a lot of fun, it's a lot of high energy. It's just one of the best days of the year.
When you think about National Manufacturing Day and you think about what's important,
To be able to touch, feel, watch, and learn about all the career opportunities available in manufacturing. That's the essence of why we do it.
They are the future of manufacturing.
And we want our students to know that manufacturing is a viable and successful career that can provide for them and their family and be very rewarding.
My favorite part of Manufacturing Day was 100% the hands-on part.
My favorite part of Manufacturing Day was
being able to participate in each of the activities.
One thing I learned was how hard it is to weld.
I learned that robotics is way more complicated than I originally thought.
I'm at Manufacturing Day at WSU Tech.
The world of manufacturing is cool, it's hot, and it's the future.